Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to import a MetaMask wallet with a private key. First, open your MetaMask extension or mobile application. Next, click on your account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Import Account option. This is the initial step to bring an existing account into your MetaMask interface. Always ensure you are using the official MetaMask application or extension. Once you have selected Import Account, you will see options for importing. Choose the private key method. Now, carefully paste or type your private key into the provided input field. It is crucial to double-check every character of your private key for accuracy. A single incorrect character will prevent the successful import of your wallet. This key grants full access to your funds. After entering your private key, click the Import button to finalize the process. MetaMask will then add this account to your wallet. You should immediately see the newly imported account listed alongside your other accounts. Take a moment to verify the account's address and ensure that the balance reflects your expectations. This confirms a successful and secure import of your digital assets. Remember, your private key is the ultimate access to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Store it securely offline, perhaps written down and kept in a safe place, rather than on a computer or phone. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts or websites asking for your private key. MetaMask will never ask for your private key directly. Stay safe and protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.